Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison of Zima OS, Hex OS, and Casa OS to find out the best home server operating system. So let's compare them in key areas. Number 1, installation and setup. Casa OS offers the smoothest installation, often in just a few clicks via Raspberry Pi or x86 builds, while Zima OS requires more manual setup and networking knowledge, and Hex OS falls in between, simple UI but still tailored for enthusiasts. Number 2, dashboard and user interface. Hex OS provides a modern, modular dashboard with performance tracking and real-time service control, while Casa OS keeps it beginner-friendly. It is almost a plug-and-play, while Zima OS has a Linux-heavy interface that is powerful, but not as a friendly user for casual users. Number 3, app ecosystem and support. CasaOS leads with pre-built apps like Plex, Jellyfin, Nextcloud, and Docker containers, while HexOS supports similar apps with slightly more customization, and ZimaOS focuses on networking, media servers, and VPNs, making it ideal for advanced setups. Number 4, performance and hardware support. ZimaOS is best for performance optimization and multi-user access, while CasaOS is lighter. It runs smoothly on older hardwares, and HexOS sits in the middle, balancing usability and speed even for NAS functions. Number 5, community and development. Casa OS has an active, fast-growing community, while Hex OS is newer, but it has strong Discord and GitHub presence. And lastly, Zima OS is more niche, maintained by experienced devs for power users. So for final verdict, if you want an easy and all-in-one server OS, you can go with Casa OS. For a balance between usability and power, HexOS is for you. And for advanced control, networking, and fine-tuning, ZimaOS is the right choice for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.